Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Melinda English, and I am a real estate professional. I have been a real estate professional for 5.5 years. I specialize in buyers, sellers, investment properties, VA home loans, military relocation, and all things real estate. Let me give you a little information about myself. I'm a retired Navy chief. I retired in 2015. I have a degree, a bachelor's of science in specializing in human resources. And in the Navy, I was a Navy recruiter, a great Navy recruiter at that. In the Navy is where I learned the craft, the skill of negotiating, which is very, very important in real estate. And I also learned about customer service, quality, honor, commitment. And that is what you get when you hire me as your real estate professional. Let me tell you a little bit about my family. I am married to an Army National Guard Sergeant First Class. He retires in about 2.5 years. He's a little salty because I'm retired, but y'all don't tell him that. We have 2 amazing sons. One of our sons, he's currently serving in the Navy. And our younger son is a high school senior graduating next year. I'm a foodie. I love to dance. I love helping people. We have a nonprofit organization called Kicks for Kids where we give underprivileged children brand new shoes. We've had this organization for about 3 years. As a matter of fact, last year we gave away 350 shoes. We are very, very proud of that. And we, as you can see, I love people. I love helping people, and that's what I feel that I'm here on this earth to do. So, if you're in the market of buying a home, remember there are 3 things that you will need. You will need a qualifying credit score, verifiable income, and money for down payment and closing costs. If you want more information, give me a call at 478-244-0592. I am Melinda English. Make it a great day.